Hey guys, today we're going to draw a cute elf, and subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell.
Hey y'all! Welcome in here to Doodleville. We're outside drawing today. Grab a paper, a Sharpie, and let's get started. Here we go. Are you having fun, Noah?
Yeah,
Why? We haven't drawn anything yet.
because I can.
All right, kids. Okay, we are going to be drawing a cute elf today. I'm going to start by making the
I don't know.
wonderful hat. So we're going to make like a slight curve right there on your paper. Sorry about the shadow in the video. The sun was pretty bright. And there we got some kind of like a crown. We're going to make a zigzag across the top and then connect the sides for the brim of the hat. Good job, Noah.
Thank you.
Kind of looks like one big scratchy eyebrow. Next, we're going to do a big dome curve for the Santa hat. Well, it's not a Santa hat. It's an elf hat, but it looks like a Santa hat, sort of. Just like that. Good job, Noah and kids. Wonderful job. Then we're going to start on the other side of the brim and go up, curve around, and to a point. Like so. Excellent. Now we're going to do the little ball at the end of the hat. Cute! Good. Now let's start right here. And we're going to make the hairline. So the elf's hairline. I'm going to bring it down. You can make it as long or as short as you would like. I'm kind of doing like the opposite of the brim of the hat. Going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, all the way around and kind of slightly curved. Good job, Noah. Very cute hair. All right, kids, let's start on the next thing. Next, we're going to be doing the face. Start from the left and make a big kind of a square U to the other side.
Okay.
And then we're going to do the eyeball. And just make one circle. Good. Now let's make the other eyeball. Oh, I like how you made really big eyeballs, Noah. Those are so cute.
Thank you.
And then we're going to make a circle and then a smaller circle inside of the big circle and then color in between the two small circles just like so. Do you understand?
Yes.
Good. What grade are you in, Noah?
Fourth.
Had to think about that, huh? Like, wait, I'm out of school for Turkey Day today.
Turkey Day?
Turkey week.
Turkey week?
Once you're done coloring in your two circles,
It's not Turkey week.
we gotta start on the nose. Like a teeny tiny one.
Nose.
Excuse my throat. We're in California and we have that that campfire smoke in our throats. Oh, don't forget the cheeks. Make two tiny little circles right on the outsides and underneath both eyeballs. It's very cutie. And a tiny nose.
Very cutesy.
And then we're going to make a open mouth. It kind of looks like a moon. And then we're going to do a little hill inside. That's for the tongue. So it looks like he's laughing. Cutie.
Cutesy.
Oh, I like how you put your nose down by his mouth. That's cool. That's different than mine. Now we're going to make his arms up like he's like dancing or waving like, yay! He's a happy elf. Then They're going to curve up and out. And they're going to go underneath where his armpit is and curve up and out on each side. Just like that. Good, you guys. Then I'm going to make his hands. So I'm going to make 5 bloop, 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 like so.
Fingers.
Good job. 4 fingers, 1 thumb on each hand.
3 fingers, 1 thumb, 1 pinky.
Ah, got me. Dagnabbit. Good job, kids. Make sure you get 5 fingers on each hand. And then we're going to make the rest of his collar. You can make his collar like rounded like that, or you can make it more like his hat, like sharp. It's up to you. Whatever style you like. Oh, I like how you put more no on yours.
Okay, thank you. I like how you put less.
Oh, thank you. Now we're going to make the sleeves of the shirt and then go down and down for his side and across for his waist. Don't forget his belt. That's really important.
Santa Claus has a belt.
Yeah, Santa Claus does have a belt. Good job, Noah. Okay, now we're going to be making the rest of his shirt. His shirt is kind of long and kind of flowing out, and it has 3 points. So there's 1, 2, and then 3. Just like that. So it kind of looks like he's going to be running, like he's blowing in the wind. Next, we're going to make his legs. Start there and curve up, and then there, and connect. Good. And then make his shoe. And his other leg is going to be running forward. Do it just like that and curve around. And then now this is the bottom of his shoe is showing. So this elf is like a running elf. He's in really good shape and likes to run around. Okay, now we're going to make the stripes on his shirt, and then and I made 3 stripes, so each 2 lines is going to be his red stripes. You can make more or less, however you like it. There's no right way or wrong way. And if I'm going too fast or too slow, you can always fast forward, rewind, or pause the video. Right, Noah?
Yes.
I wanted to add 2 little lines on my hat circle, so I did. And then I'm going to add some lines onto my elf's pants. Just right here, here, and there. And I also added 3 thick stripes on the pants as well. Good job. Good job, Noah. Way to keep up.
Thank you.
Oh, I forgot his ears. Let me add those on. 1 on each side. Good. You can make pointy ears. Some elves have pointy ears, but my elf just gonna have regular ears. Then I added some cute cheeks at the points of his mouth. Woohoo! If you think this is good so far, go ahead and stop and give me a thumbs up.
Well, guys, those elves look great. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the notification button. If we get 10 likes, we'll make another video. Make sure to share with your friends.